Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the UMR 628, our tube end forming machine up to 1 1/16 end forming for 37-degree flare, 90-degree flares and also O-ring face seal end form.
Customer was contacting me because he's actually facing a challenge in his production. He's doing a lot of ORFS flaring on straight tubes and already bended tubes, and he has a lot of different products where he often has to change several times during the day. And so he was asking me if transfluid can provide a clever solution for this.
Sharif, that's a very good question. Actually, we have a good solution for this on our UMR 628. So normally if you face those things like Sharif described, doing an ORFS flaring on the machine, you usually work with the bend tube. First, this machine, by how it's built, has only little collision points. As you can see here with the bended tube, if you hold it into the machine, you can also pass any collision point in the machine with bent tubes going backwards into the machine. And Sharif, to experience the minimal collision points, I would think you would now make a tube on the machine, but first maybe you can place those tubes in the very convenient drawer on the side of the machine, where you can not only place tubes but also other sleeves and tools of the machine as well. Here. As you can see now, Sharif is placing the tube into the machine, put it to the stop and run another part. The machine is forming the ORFS onto it, and after he unloads the tube, the mechanism moves out, gets a new sleeve and moves back into the machine, so the machine is preloaded to make another part again. As you can see now, Sharif is forming the other side. The sleeve is already preloaded into the machine. The forming starts again. And so he finishes up the full part with both sides end forming of O-ring face seal. As you can see, Sharif, the preloading of the sleeve is a very handy process in forming the tube and helps the operator very much to form the tube efficient and fast. Now we will look a little bit closer on how the preloading is going to happen. Here we can see the magazine. The first thing, which is a big advantage, is it's a preloaded magazine with a poka-yoke system where the operator can only place the sleeve in one orientation. So the feeding in of the sleeve to the tube cannot be done in the wrong way.
Okay, Yannick, thanks for your explanation, but tell me, which steps do I have to do to change to another product?
Yeah, sure, that's a very good question. Of course, one thing is always going to be changing out the initial tools of the machine. Therefore, we have a link here where you can see how easy it is to switch tools on an UMR 628. For the preloading magazine, it is also very easy and handy. First, it's very easy to unload this. You can just take it out. You can then preload it. You can have multiple of these magazines also available, so you can preload for different sleeves. Put it back into the machine and the machine is ready to start again.
Okay, Yannick, thanks for the explanation again, but let me summarize. There are three major advantages that the machine is bringing to your production. One thing is higher user friendliness, because placing of the ORFS-ring is no longer a manual step. The second thing is that we have a shorter cycle time, because partially the machine is working completely automatic. And the third thing is that not really training is necessary, because it's a very user-friendly machine now.
Yeah, sure. That's a very good summary of you. So in all, this was a more cost-effective solution with the highest quality standards you can achieve. Thank you everyone for tuning in today, and thank you Sharif for explaining the customer situation, and I hope we could both show you how much the UMR 628 can be beneficial for you.